Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the place where we tear apart products so you don't have to. Today, we have a resin 3D printer showdown between the Anycubic 4K Plus and the Phrozen Sonic Mini 8KS. It's a battle of pixels, layers, and some good old resin. On my left, we have the Anycubic 4K Plus, and on my right, the Phrozen Sonic Mini 8KS. Let's get ready to rumble. First up, let's talk money. Because, let's be honest, our wallets are what really matter here. The Anycubic 4K Plus comes in at a sweet $229. That's like the price of a fancy dinner date, but this one won't leave you on read the next day. And the Phrozen Sonic Mini 8KS? It's $375. Ouch, that's more like a fancy dinner date in Paris with a private jet. So if you're ballin' on a budget, Anycubic's already winning. Moving on to resolution, where size does matter. The Anycubic 4K Plus boasts a 4K Plus monochrome LCD with a resolution of 4096*2560. That's like having an Ultra HD TV for your resin prints. You'll see every tiny detail, including the ones you probably didn't want to see. But the Phrozen Sonic Mini 8KS takes it to another level with a mind-blowing 22 micrometers resolution. Reviewers say it's so detailed, you might start seeing your own regrets printed out in 3D. If you're into pixel peeping, Phrozen's your new best friend. Next up, let's talk about print volume. Because sometimes, size really does matter. The Anycubic 4K Plus offers a print volume of 143 by 89 by 165 millimeters. That's 20% larger than its predecessor, giving you more room to create, like a personal art studio, but for nerds. Phrozen Sonic Mini 8KS, on the other hand, doesn't list its print volume as prominently. But let's be real. If you're into tiny, high-detail prints, you're probably not building a life-size Iron Man suit. So Anycubic takes the cake here. Now, let's dive into ease of use and compatibility. Because nobody has time to read a 500-page manual, the Phrozen Sonic Mini 8KS is described as super easy to operate and compatible with most slicers, like Lychee, Chitabox, and Tango. It's like the universal remote of 3D printers, perfect for beginners. Anycubic 4K Plus comes with Photon Workshop Slicer 3.0, which is free forever. It's like getting a free puppy that never grows up. It's powerful, but not as open source friendly. So if you're a control freak, Phrozen might be the way to go. Last but not least, let's talk about those extra features that make you go, ooh! Anycubic 4K Plus has an upgraded light turbo matrix, a laser-engraved build plate, and a scratch-resistant screen. Fancy stuff! It's like the Swiss Army knife of 3D printers. Phrozen Sonic Mini 8KS, on the other hand, is all about that high-resolution life and smooth surfaces with 50% less layer lines. Reviewers highlight the impressive print quality, but also note some issues, like needing a dedicated and ventilated room. It's like the iPhone of 3D printers, sleek, sexy, and super high-res. Summing up the reviews, Anycubic 4K Plus is praised for its high-quality prints, ease of setup, and competitive pricing, though it has some minor issues like auto-leveling problems. On the other hand, Phrozen Sonic Mini 8KS impresses users with its ultra-high resolution and ease of use, but it does come at a higher price and may require some adjustments for optimal performance. So there you have it, folks. The Anycubic 4K Plus is your budget-friendly, larger volume, feature-packed workhorse. Meanwhile, the Phrozen Sonic Mini 8KS is your high-res, easy-to-use, smooth operator. Which one wins? Well, that's up to you and your wallet. Let us know in the comments which one you'd pick. And remember, always buy smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more product showdowns. See you next time. Product links are in the description.